Hello, my name is Obomini Elo Grace, and you are welcome to the course Office Etiquette, Mastering Professional Behaviors in the Workplace. Clarence Thomas once said that good manners will open doors that the best education cannot. So in this course, we're going to be exploring the right behaviors, the right set of behaviors that govern professionalism in the workplace. How are you expected to behave in the work environment? So what is office etiquette? Office etiquette refers to the set of behaviors, customs, rules that defines professional conduct in a workplace. It covers everything from how you communicate, dress, interact with colleagues to how you handle workplace conflicts and responsibility. Think of office etiquette as the unspoken manual that guides how people behave in a professional environment. Just like the traffic rules prevent chaos on the road, office etiquette ensures harmony, respect, and productivity in the workplace. Why is office etiquette important? Number one, it builds a positive work environment. A professional and respectful atmosphere fosters collaboration and teamwork. Two, it enhances professional reputation. Employees who follow workplace etiquette are more likely to be respected and considered for promotion. Three, it boosts productivity. A well-mannered office space eliminates distraction and conflict and allows employees to focus on their tasks. Number four, it encourages effective communication. Proper etiquette ensures that the workplace communication is clear, professional, and is free from all misunderstanding. And five, workplace etiquette strengthens relationship. Respect and courtesy create friendly and cooperative work environment. A workplace without etiquette would feel like a marketplace. No order, no rules, everyone doing as they please. Imagine a colleague playing loud music, another barging into a meeting uninvited, and a third gossiping about their boss. Disaster, right? That's why work etiquette exists, to keep everything running smoothly. At the end of this course, you'll be able to understand the importance of professionalism and workplace etiquette. You'll be able to communicate effectively using verbal, non-verbal, and written communication skills. You would also learn to demonstrate proper workplace behavior, including time management, respect, and teamwork. You would also learn to maintain a professional appearance and practice good personal hygiene. You will learn to adapt to workplace culture and build positive professional relationships. You will learn to use social media and technology appropriately in a corporate setting. Participate in meetings and workplace events with proper etiquette. Handle confidential information responsibly, and lastly, manage workplace conflict and difficult situations professionally. And it is for every professional person. As long as you are working in a corporate environment or you wish to work in a corporate environment one day, this course is for you. So it spans between 4 to 7 weeks, depending on how fast you can take the course. See you in the course.